Hi, my name is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to Spice and Advice. Today we are going to bake. I don't usually bake, but I started to do it and now I'm starting to get into it. So today we're gonna make a coconut cake. It is so good. And then we're gonna glaze it with coconut rum. Life is good. You're going to love it. For today's recipe, these are the ingredients that you need. 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon coconut flavoring, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, half a cup of shredded coconut, half a cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup of coconut rum, 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 loaf pan, baking spray, flour and butter. The ingredients are gonna be grouped in 3. Your first group is gonna be 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a teaspoon of coconut flavoring. On your second group, you're gonna have 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of sea salt. On your last group, you're gonna have half a cup of buttermilk and half a cup of shredded coconut. And for the glaze, you're gonna have half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coconut flavoring, 1 teaspoon of butter, and half a cup of coconut rum. Okay, our first step is we're gonna start our oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna grease our pan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it with butter and flour, old school, and that works, but I have something even better. We use pan spray. It already has the butter and the flour, and it's just as easy as spray, fingers clean, and completely grease. You want to let the spray sit in the pan so when you put your ingredients, they don't all mix. It's just gonna stay and it's gonna lubricate your mix so it doesn't stick. Okay, now we're gonna start with our mixes. We're gonna divide it in 3 groups. The first group, we're gonna start with eggs. We're gonna add our 2 eggs. No, I'm not gonna drop them and keep them in. We're gonna beat them some. Then we're gonna add the oil. Gonna add this sugar, vanilla, and the coconut flavoring. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that everything is mixed and is smooth. You don't want clumps of sugar that are not mixed. It's gonna get kind of creamy. You see how it's starting to get kind of smooth and creamy? That's what you want. We're done with group number 1. Now we're gonna mix our group number 2. So we have the flour. We're gonna add baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that it's everything mixed. You can use a sifter if you want to. I never had to use it and it's fine. I just use a fork and make sure that I break all the clumps that are around and I mix all the powders. And that's gonna do the trick. And now we're gonna go to our last mix. We're gonna get our other bowl. We're gonna mix our buttermilk. And all we're gonna do is mix it with the coconut, shredded coconut. Mix it. Nothing fancy. You're not gonna whip it. All you want to do is make sure that it's all mixed together. And now we're gonna mix all three of them. And go back to our bigger bowl. Then we're gonna add our flour mix. I try not to put it all at once because then it'll be easier to mix and you will not have clumps, because the last thing that you want is to have raw flour that is not mixed with everything into your cake. Then we add the rest of the flour. I don't like to go all wild mixing because then I'll have flour everywhere. And I don't like to be messy. And what you're gonna have is, you see, it's starting to get now thick. And that's what you want. So now we're gonna add buttermilk with the shredded coconut. And that's gonna bring more moisture into your mix, so it's gonna be a little bit more pliable. You want to make sure you have coconut everywhere. Don't have parts of the mix that do not have the coconut, because that's what's gonna make it gives a little bit of texture to the cake, and you want to taste the coconut. And there we have it. So mix, and it's ready to be poured into our pan. It's thick, so it's not gonna flow like if it was in other mixes. But what you want to make sure is that it goes flat. And what we're gonna do is, at the end, after we put it all in, we're gonna just tap it a little bit against the counter. That would also take any bubble that might be around in the mix. Then what we do, just shake it a little bit, and there, now we go to the oven. Cake is in the oven, and we're gonna leave it there for 45 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Sometimes you have a recipe that asks for buttermilk. I don't know you, but buttermilk is not something I usually have in my refrigerator. So there's ways that you can create substitute for buttermilk that work really, really well. Like, for example, you can have a cup of milk, whole milk. You can add 1 tablespoon of either vinegar or lemon juice and let it sit for 10 minutes. It's gonna be just like buttermilk. It's not gonna do all the bacteria that the buttermilk have, but it's gonna work in your recipe the same as if you had buttermilk. Another thing you can do is you can take 3/4 of a cup of plain vanilla yogurt and add 1/2 cup of whole milk. Same thing. It works as well as buttermilk. So next time you run out of buttermilk, now you have choices. And the way we're gonna know if it's ready is we take a toothpick, we push it in, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is done. Okay, now we're gonna make our glaze. We're gonna put our heat at medium. We're gonna put the coconut rum. If you don't want alcohol, you can just replace it with water and it's gonna work fine. I like rum, so I'm gonna go with the rum. And then we're gonna add the sugar. We want it to boil a soft boil. You don't want it to hard boil because you don't want to lose the alcohol. If you're using water, then you can boil it a little bit more. And the idea is just to melt the sugar. We have it boiling. We're gonna add a teaspoon of butter. And the last thing that we're gonna add is a coconut flavoring. And after we add the coconut flavoring, we're gonna turn it off. It's frothy, that means we are done. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna add coconut flavoring. And our glaze is ready. Okay, now we're gonna pour our glaze over the cake. We want to take a toothpick and we want to make little holes into the cake so when we pour the glaze, it just absorbed all the way into the cake. So we go with the toothpick and don't go crazy. I mean, you don't want to make huge holes. You just want to make little holes. And you want to make them all around so the glaze penetrates your cake and is uniform. Now we take the glaze and we want just to spoon it around. And you see it's absorbing it slowly, but it's absorbing it. And it doesn't matter if it pulls a little bit on the sides. After a few minutes, it's gonna be all absorbed.
And there you have it, a delicious coconut rum cake. I can just smell all the coconut and rum baked inside. It looks so delicious. I'm just gonna cut myself a little corner just to test it out and see how good it is. Oh my goodness, that looks great. I'm gonna help myself.
What are you doing?
I just decided I was gonna be the spice gnome today, and there was this delicious cake sitting on the counter. Thought I'd help myself to a little piece.
Apparently, somebody thinks that she's gonna take over my show, but she's not. This is my friend Zumba Selena. She's visiting from out of town, and she thinks she's gonna be the new host of Spice and Advice. I have news for you, sister. This is my gig. And if you like this episode, smash that like. And please subscribe to the channel so you can get to see all the other recipes that I am going to be making. And please don't forget to ring my bell. Ring my bell. And you'll get notifications of all of the episodes as we put them online. Thank you for watching Spice and Advice. And if you have a question or you need some advice, check our Facebook page, Spice and Advice. I love to tell people what to do. What are you doing? Bring me my cake. Bring me my cake. Hey, give me my cake.